Hello, welcome. Let's have a look at this exponential equation, which is 27 to the power of x minus 3x to the power divided by 9 exponent x minus 3 exponent x, all equals to 82. Now, looking at it, the powers are the same, but we cannot apply the laws, which is the multiplication and division. So we can only see that 3 is a factor of 27, the same time a factor of 9. So we can find that factor from here. Bear in mind that if I have a exponent x, b exponent x, it can be taken as a times b all to the power x. So even though I am going to have 3 times 9 within the bracket like this, all to the power x can be written in this form. So that means that I can have 3 exponent x multiplying 9 exponent x minus 3 exponent x. The same can be done here as 3 exponent of x multiplying 3 exponent x minus what? 3 exponent x, all equals to 82. So I can see that this factor can be taken out as a common factor, dividing this, leaving 9 exponent x, dividing this, leaving 1, divided by the 3 exponent x out, 3 exponent x in minus 1, all equals to what? 82. So you can see here that this will cancel this, remaining only the ones in the brackets, which I can write as 9 exponent x minus 1, 3 exponent x minus 1 equals to 82. Now, there are two ways we can arrive at the answer, the longer way and the short version. The longer is to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you are going to generate a quadratic equation which you can solve. Or we can also see that this is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square, 3 square. 1 is also perfect, 1 square. So I can rewrite this as 3 exponent 2 exponent of x minus 1 divided by 3 exponent x minus 1 equals to 82. Now remember, these two powers are multiplying. It can be 2 times x or x times 2. So the x can also come in, whilst the 2 can also go there. That make it 3 exponent x raised to the power 2 minus 1 square divided by 3 exponent x minus 1 equals to 82. Then this becomes a difference of 2 square. So that means that the 3 exponent x plus 1 in one bracket, 3 exponent x minus 1 in the next, divided by 3 exponent x minus 1 equals to 82. You can see that this will take care of this, and I'll be left with only 3 exponent x plus 1, all equals to what? 82. You see that we have an equation whereby this one is not added to the power, it is added to the whole thing here, which is 3 exponent x. So we subtract 1 from both sides, making 3 exponent x equals to 82 minus 1. That gives you what? 81. So this is just exponential equation with one term at the left, one term at the right. So we can make sure we check and see whether we can express all in the same base. We can see that if I have 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times will be giving me 81. So all that I need is to have my 3 exponent x equals to 3 exponent 4. 4 times multiplication. So since the base are the same, it also means that x is equal to what? 4. So it means that when x is assuming 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and you perform the arithmetic, your answer will give you what? 82. You can try that and share your thoughts in the comment section. I guess the concept is clear. You can also cross multiply and generate your quadratic equation. Solve, you come back to the same option as 4. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.